Welcome to Sharmila's Syntax Squad. Today we'll focus on simple sentences and phrases for everyday conversations. Shall we start? Starting with greetings and introductions. Good morning. How are you today? Hello. Nice to meet you. My name is Sharmila. How do you do? I'm pleased to meet you. Basic conversations. I like to play basketball. I'm happy to see you. I have a dog named Jimmy. I want to eat pizza. Can you please open the window? Asking questions. What is your name? Where do you live? What do you do for a living? How old are you? Do you like to read books? Simple statements. This is my new phone. I'm going to the store. I eat rice for dinner. I drink coffee every morning. I understand the instructions. Some tips for practice. Speak slowly and clearly. Remember, consistency is key. Even 15 to 20 minutes of daily practice can significantly improve your spoken English. I hope you like this video. If you do, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.